Hello YouTube, Hayden321 here. Today we're doing another shared cockpit video into Nice. Different captain this time. It's my Australian friend Mr. Wilson. He's sitting in the captain seat, me first officer's seat. We're doing an RNAV approach from runway 22 left this time. So the approach, we came in from the northwest and you pass on a downwind. Enter at Sovax for us today, then Nanax. And then we passed the 410 and we started a descent at a degree of 3 degrees, at which point we take over manual and then we have to do a manual left hand turn final and land 22 left. I'll let you watch the video. It's actually quite a nice approach, especially when you don't have to worry about controlling the aircraft, you just sit there. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. My nav is all fucked up for some reason. Doesn't matter.
Speed 170. Flaps 2.
Speed check, flaps 2.
Speed 150. Flaps 3, gear down.
Flaps 3, gear down.
$2,500.
Flaps full.
Speed check, flaps full. Gonna ask him.
I'm spoiled.
That was an oopsie by me.
Yeah, landing checklist.
Landing checklist. Cabin crew.
They're advised.
Auto throttle.
Speed.
Checked. And ECAM memo. Landing no blue. Confirm.
1,500 feet.
Checklist complete, I suppose.
And your flight.
Alright.
100 above.
It's scary.
Minimum.
Continue.
Checked. There. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I'm glad I'm not flying this.
Speed 140.
1,000.
Okay. Ooh, just killed a fly. There you go. Anyway, back to the sim. Very nicely done. Oh, nice. Very nicely done. Hoi! good, we're good. Amazing.
Wind check.
Wind check slightly from left hand side, 9 knots.
500. 400. 300. 200. 100. 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 5.
Spoilers up. This isn't working.
Engine brakes.
Just confirm it's okay for me to clean up.
Okay to clean up.
Sure. You want me to start the APU?
Confirm, please. Yes.